Hi guys. Well, unfortunately my C238 Mercedes E-Class came into collision with a deer last night and activated the safety system, the bonnet pedestrian system. But according to Google, all I need to do as a temporary fix is push down gently on the bonnet hinges, and the bonnet should go back to its normal position, though I do need to take it to a dealership to have the pyrotechnics replaced, the actuators, and the coding removed from the airbag safety system on the car. So I'm going to attempt to push down on the hinges, and hopefully that will reset at least the bonnet so that we can carry on driving the car temporarily until the engineers can actually have a look. So let's have a go. It seems to work quite straightforward, actually, quite easily. Seems to have done the trick. I can't see any damage anywhere else from said deer, so hopefully that is a temporary problem solved. Thank you for watching.